Do your stream transitions suck? Are they just like boring jump cuts, like, this or back to this, or do you want something smooth like this? Ooh, look how buttery smooth that is. Yeah, it feels good, doesn't it? Well, then let's teach you how to do it. But before we can start using this new transition, you got to install it. So go to the link below. First thing I'm going to do is go and grab the Move Transition plugin here, or the Move plugin on the OBS forums. Pick the Windows installer, click to open it, double click. You'll install it like you do any other program. There might be something that pops up and says, this thing isn't safe. Just click down, say it's fine, install it. Super easy. Make sure OBS is closed when you install it, and then make sure at some point, maybe if you can't find it, just restart OBS. It should be there. It puts it right in the folders it needs to be. So now that it is installed, there is a Docker in OBS called Scene Transitions. What you're going to need to do to get it set up is click that plus button, go to Move Transition, and then you're just going to name it whatever you want. You'll see this list of stuff that looks very complicated, but honestly, you don't have to change anything if you don't want to. Click OK, and now whenever you go in and change scenes, you see that little bit of smoothness. It eases in and eases out. It works really well. You can see, again, on any of these transitions that I use on a regular basis, it works great. You can see here you can increase the duration or, lessen it if you want. Like, say we go 150 and hit the button, and it's super fast. It's almost like a cut transition. It's so fast. Some of these you may want to use for certain situations, but for the most part, I'm going to go ahead and set it to 500. I always felt like that was a pretty good standard duration for the Move Transition plugin. Also, if you go into properties, you can choose a couple of different things that are nice. So you can choose where appearing items come from. I think I just keep mine center left pretty much all the time. You can also choose a specific type of transition if you wanted to. I just leave it at none. If you want to add a curve where it comes in kind of looped, you can do that as well. I do like to have the disappearing items just go away from center, just because it doesn't counteract with the way that things are coming in. Also, if you have multiple components on stage, they all move independently. So if you have a camera, your scene, and another item, all of those things can kind of get a little weird when they leave the screen. So I usually just do away from center. Click OK, and you'll be able to see. Now, it just goes in, and then it goes in. And that's it, guys. That's really it for the Move plugin.